Okay, here we have our 1994 Carmack trailer, which we're going to use to haul the Spider. We got a few things we got to work on. We got a few lights out. You see the top center light's not out. Can't tell very well in the sun. We just fixed the tail light and brake light, but we've got to put a new license plate on it. This light is not working. Come to the front. Half of this light is not working. And we're going to need a new breakaway switch and a battery. And if we go all the way to the other side, the left rear wheel has to come off because the adjuster for the brake drum has come out. So we'll get to it. Okay, so we have our wheel off and we found the problem with the brakes. For one, the adjuster's missing for the brake shoes, and two, the brake shoe is missing something important. The lining. So we'll go up and we'll get ourselves some brake shoes, wheel seal, and brake kit, and we'll get this fixed. Okay, so we got us a wheel seal, and we got us our brake kit. There's our new brake shoes, and they come with a partial kit, which is good because we need one of those. We need one of these that was bent. So we actually got two because we do both axles. So we'll get started, get everything cleaned up. So we'll have to give this a good cleaning. Get it all ready. And then we'll clean our brake drum inside and our bearing where it sits, and we'll start putting it back together. Okay, so we've got all our bearings cleaned up, all our hardware is cleaned up. Got our drum cleaned out. And we've got our braking surface clean. We've got anti-seize applied where we need to apply it. So we'll repack the bearings, we'll start going back together. So you can see here was the original brake adjuster, and we're gonna replace with a new one. Fortunately, we had one in stock. We didn't have to buy one of those. So we'll get that repaired. Okay, we got our brake shoes on, our new hardware. Got our new adjuster on underneath there. So we'll get our bearings packed and get the wheel put back on. Okay, here we are all back together again. She's ready to roll. Just got to do the other side. So the front axle suffered the same fate as the rear axle. The brake lining separated from the brake shoe. So we've got our bearings are all cleaned up. Our stuff's all cleaned up here. Ready to go back on. Got our wheel cleaned up, ready to go. And we've got our brake housing cleaned up as best we can, ready to go back together. So we'll get it back together here in a second. So the slack adjuster was froze up. So we lubed it up, cleaned it up, and now it's working fine. After getting the brakes repaired, we still had to worry about the brake switch and the battery. Here you can see the brake switch was in bad shape, the breakaway switch, and the battery needed to come out and be tested so we could see what was going on with it. There was also some wiring issues. You can see the wirings are cut off here. So we got a brand new breakaway switch. You can see here the comparison of the two. And then we went ahead and swapped them out. Here you can see the new battery and the switch. Okay, we got the battery out. And it's all but dead. So we're gonna have to get another battery. Okay, we have our breakaway switch installed. We have our new battery. We've got everything wired in. We still have to get a cord from here to the hitch. Other than that, we're just about ready to button this up.